your girl Shaka. On today's video we're going to do PLT trial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. Oh my gosh, I can't talk to save my life. Let me try. I'm fucking scared. Fuck that. Let's get straight into the video. Say much. The outfit alone is taking for me. This is the first outfit I got from PLT. As you can see, it's a lovely white two-piece. I just can't say much because the outfit alone is saying a lot about me. Check it out. Check. Listen, look at the full outfit. Just look at it. Look at the full outfit. Like this one, you can wear this to go to a club, party, anything, because I'm looking to find. Where's my ex at? Bye bye. So yeah. Ooh, ooh, look at the back. So this is how the back looks like. Yay. It's like a one strap. But yeah. Is that my bum, yeah? Alright, never mind. So yeah, this is it. Yay. And I'm back with the lovely second outfit. So guys, this is the second outfit I've got from PLT. So this is a lovely, nice date night outfit. Club. You can wear it to go to club. I've got this in size 6, which is so nice. Imagine there was no coronavirus going on. I'll be going on 3 dates everywhere. You can pull it up more and you just tie it like this. It depends how you want to do it, to be honest. Yeah, so tie it. You can wear it with any type of shoes, but I got these shoes from PLT as well, so you can get them there. So yeah, this is the second outfit. Guys, this is the third outfit. The lady in the red dress, looking all nice and sassy. This is the red dress I've got from PLT as well. I've got them in size 8. It's just exactly like the brown one. Oh, this one is so nice. Where's my ex at? Why are you playing games with me? Acting like you don't walk here like me. Chill, nigga, I don't want you imagining. But I'm looking all nice. So yeah, this is nice. You can wear this outfit on a date. You go club. You can wear it like just feel comfortable in your body. Like, don't let no one say anything to you. You can wear anything that you feel comfortable in. Because I'm wearing this because I feel comfortable in it. Let the dress wear you, or you own the dress. So girl, it's either you like it or no, light it. Yeah. Look. What is PLT trying to do to me there? What are they trying to do to me? I need to find a way to contact them because like I'm looking sassy in all of their dresses. So yeah, this dress is the same from PLT, size 8. It's a nice lovely leopard color. It's so beautiful. I just love the material. It's so nice. Like, this is how the back. I think like with this outfit I can wear it to go like on a date, like I keep saying, either like a lovely wedding. I'm going to meet my ex there and I'm really like, you want this shirt? And I'm like, nah, cause it's taken. Yeah. So yeah, you can get this outfit from PLT as well. I just love it. Like the shoes, as I'm saying, you can wear any shoes to go with it, but because I love these heels, they're so lovely and comfortable, so the outfit is nice. Yay! So guys, this is the last outfit of the day. So basically I've got this as well from PLT in size 8. It's so nice and sleeky. You can wear this outfit to go anywhere basically, because I dress anyhow. And this is the most famous dress everyone wanted, but I was like, you know what, I'll get it while everyone forgot about it and bring it back in style. So that's what exactly I'm doing. So yeah, look at the back. This is how the backs look like. So yeah, you can dress it and do it anyhow, to be honest, and just feel comfortable in it and just go with the flow and enjoy it. But I would like to say thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe below. If you need any more info in terms of all the dresses that I've tried, I'll be dropping down on the description below. But for now, love you.